Hi, this is Jose from Only Wood Floors, and I'm here with Mark in the city of Riverside, and we just about to finish off his house. How did things goes with us?
I am really happy with the work and with everything about Only Wood Floors Inc. or LLC. They are a great company. I tell you, it was like Friday evening or afternoon that my wife and I decided that we were going to have someone work on our floors. I made one phone call, left a message, and almost immediately I got a text back, and I was really pleased with what I heard. These guys have been amazing. They responded quickly. The work they're doing is fantastic. It's really changed the look of our house, and we couldn't be more pleased.
Okay, great. Would you then? I assume you can recommend us.
I would unquestionably recommend you.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect. That's great. And of course, we just wondering, is there anything you think we can improve on in any form or in any way?
Honestly, I don't think there is. I'm not real familiar with this type of work, but I can tell you what I've seen, the responsiveness of the company to my questions and to arranging things. It's just been fantastic. So no, I can't think of an improvement that I would recommend.
Okay, good. Well, thank you so much for the compliment there. All right, thank you.